Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to change your Mac's login screen wallpaper. So let's get started. First, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. In System Settings, click on Screensaver. From the options below, choose the source for your wallpaper like floating, flip up, reflections, and random if you have a folder full of pictures. Just click on the wallpaper you want to use and it will be previewed in the window at the top right. Some wallpapers in the wallpaper section have additional options in the drop-down menu, such as dynamic, automatic, light, and dark, which allow you to customize the appearance based on time of day and mode. So back here, once you have chosen the wallpaper and customized any settings, they will automatically be applied to your Mac. Tap on Preview to see how it looks, then close the window. That's it! Your Mac's login screen will now display the new wallpaper you selected. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.